Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sobat bonsai, salam satu hobi. Oke sobat bonsai, jadi untuk video kali ini saya mau ambil ya. Nah, di sini saya sudah ambil ya jenis bahan bonsai dolar mikro. Nah, jadi dolar mikro seperti ini sudah semua. Sebenarnya ada yang super mikro ya. Tapi kebetulan saya punya yang ini. Tapi ini kalau kita cutting terus bisa lebih mengecil lagi untuk daunnya ya. Oke, nah ini bukan ori ya, melainkan ini ini untuk daun aslinya ya, daun asli daripada tanaman ini. Tapi di sini sudah saya operasi dengan dolar super mikro, dolar mikro ya, dolar mikro ya. Oke, untuk daun aslinya bisa kita buang ya. Untuk perawatan memang seperti itu. Untuk yang asli wajib kita buang. Terus ini untuk akarnya karena panjang ya, jadi kita kurangi ya, untuk perakarannya supaya nanti muat di pada pot, karena ini mau saya potong di pot.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're
Oke sahabat musik ya, jadi untuk program hari ini ya dari saya dari jenis tanaman dolar ya. Jadi di sini sudah masuk kategori dolar karena apa? Untuk atasnya sudah kita jadikan dolar. Meskipun untuk bagian batangnya ini dia ini beringin ibrik ya. Jadi untuk sahabat musik yang mempunyai jenis tanaman beringin ibrik ya, kalau memang nggak mau ori ibrik ya, bisa kita operasi dengan dolar ya, terus elegan sama gimeng ya. Jadi untuk ibrik bisa kita operasi dengan beberapa jenis tanaman tersebut ya. Kebetulan di sini kita punya dolar ya, jadi kita operasi dengan dolar seperti ini ya. Oke, gimana menurut sahabat saya ya? Bahan kecil, nanti kalau sudah rimbun seperti ini pasti dia sudah terlihat bagus. Nanti kita bisa ganti dengan pot yang lebih bagus ya, lebih ceper ya, pot tipis malah dia lebih bagus. Untuk prakaranya ini sebenarnya bagus, cuman ini kita kasih full supaya apa? Untuk jenis tanaman ini bisa lebih subur ya. Oke, nah jangan lupa untuk jenis tanaman ini harus kita siram tiap hari karena apa? Jenis tanaman ini sangat suka sekali dengan air, jadi kita wajib yang namanya penyiraman setiap hari. Oke sahabat saya, untuk video kali ini kurang lebih seperti ini. Mudah-mudahan untuk video kali ini bisa bermanfaat, bisa menginspirasi khususnya buat sahabat bonsai yang suka program-program sebuah bonsai. Oke sahabat saya, terima kasih untuk sahabat bonsai yang sudah menonton video saya kali ini. Jangan lupa untuk like, share, komen, dan juga subscribe-nya agar sahabat bonsai tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari saya. Oke, terima kasih. Sampai jumpa di video saya berikutnya dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tetap semangat terus berkarya, salam bonsai mania.